Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan the QR code and connect WhatsApp Web to your computer quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type web.whatsapp.com and press enter. You'll see a large QR code displayed on the screen. Next, open WhatsApp on your phone. If you're using Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner. If you're on iPhone, tap the settings gear at the bottom right. From there, select Linked Devices. Now tap Link a device. This will open your phone's camera. Simply point it at the QR code on your computer screen and make sure the code is clearly visible inside the scan box. Once the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp account will instantly appear on your computer. You can now read and reply to messages, view media, and join group chats directly from your desktop or laptop. And that's it. You've successfully connected your WhatsApp to your computer using WhatsApp Web. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.